Did you know that you can generate wealth without having a traditional job? Stick around to find out how. Today, we're diving into an exciting and transformative topic, using artificial intelligence, AI, to create wealth independently. In this rapidly evolving digital age, AI is not just a tool for large corporations or tech experts. It's becoming increasingly accessible for individuals looking to diversify their income streams and achieve financial independence. Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or simply looking for new ways to boost your earnings, leveraging AI could be your ticket to financial freedom. So, let's explore how AI can be your ally in creating wealth without the need for a traditional job. In today's fast-paced world, many people are struggling to find ways to generate wealth beyond the constraints of traditional employment. The job market is competitive, and often, the income from a regular job is just enough to cover living expenses, leaving little room for savings or investments. Moreover, the dependence on a single source of income can be risky, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Traditional employment also ties you to a fixed schedule and location, limiting your freedom and flexibility. So, the big question is, how can one overcome these challenges and create wealth independently? 1. Automated trading systems. Automated trading systems, also known as algorithmic trading, leverage AI to execute trades on financial markets with minimal human intervention. These systems use complex algorithms to analyze market data, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades at high speeds. Platforms like MetaTrader, QuantConnect, and Trade Ideas provide tools for creating and running automated trading strategies. By using AI, you can take advantage of market fluctuations 24/7, potentially increasing your profits without needing to constantly monitor the markets. Example. One popular example is the AI trading platform, Wealthfront, which uses robo-advisors to manage investment portfolios. These robo-advisors apply AI algorithms to optimize asset allocation, tax loss harvesting, and risk management, helping users grow their wealth with minimal effort. 2. Content creation bots. In the digital age, content is king, and AI-powered content creation tools are revolutionizing the way we produce and distribute content. AI tools like Jarvis, now Jasper, WriteSonic, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. These tools use natural language processing, NLP, to create content that is not only coherent but also tailored to specific audiences and purposes. Example. A blogger or social media influencer can use these AI tools to consistently produce engaging content, attracting more followers and monetizing their platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By automating the content creation process, they can focus on growing their brand and interacting with their audience. 3. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using AI to analyze historical data and make predictions about future trends and behaviors. This technology is widely used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and real estate. By leveraging predictive analytics, individuals can make informed decisions about investments, business strategies, and market opportunities. Example. An entrepreneur can use AI-powered predictive analytics tools like IBM Watson or Google Cloud AI to forecast market trends, optimize supply chains, and improve customer targeting. This data-driven approach can lead to more efficient operations and increased profitability. 4. AI in e-commerce. The e-commerce sector has seen a significant boost from AI technologies. AI can help in various aspects of running an online store, such as inventory management, personalized marketing, and customer service. AI chatbots, for instance, provide 24/7 customer support, enhancing customer experience and driving sales. Additionally, AI algorithms can analyze customer behavior to recommend products, increasing the chances of upselling and cross-selling. Example. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce integrate AI tools to help store owners optimize their business operations. By using AI, e-commerce entrepreneurs can automate repetitive tasks, gain insights into customer preferences, and develop targeted marketing campaigns, all of which contribute to higher sales and profitability. 5. AI-powered freelancing platforms. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money independently, and AI-powered platforms are making it easier to find and complete freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer use AI to match freelancers with suitable projects based on their skills, experience, and preferences. AI can also help freelancers manage their time, track project progress, and ensure timely delivery. Example: a freelance graphic designer can use AI tools to create designs faster and more efficiently. Tools like Canva and Adobe Sensei offer AI-powered features that assist in design creation, making the process quicker and more intuitive. This allows freelancers to take on more projects and increase their income. 6. AI in real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth, and AI is transforming how investors identify and manage properties. AI tools can analyze market data, property values, and rental trends to identify lucrative investment opportunities. Additionally, AI-powered property management software can help streamline operations, from tenant screening to maintenance requests. Example: platforms like Zillow and Redfin use AI algorithms to estimate property values and forecast market trends. Real estate investors can use these insights to make informed decisions about buying, selling, and managing properties, maximizing their returns. 7. AI for personal finance management. Managing personal finances is crucial for building wealth, and AI-powered tools can simplify this process. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard use AI to track expenses, create budgets, and provide financial insights. These tools can help users identify spending patterns, save money, and plan for future financial goals. Example: an individual looking to save for a big purchase or retirement can use these AI-powered personal finance apps to stay on track with their savings goals. The apps provide real-time updates and personalized advice, making it easier to manage money effectively. 8. AI in online education. The online education industry is booming, and AI is playing a significant role in enhancing learning experiences. AI-powered platforms offer personalized learning paths, adaptive assessments, and interactive content, making education more accessible and effective. Creating and selling online courses can be a profitable venture, and AI can help streamline the process. Example: platforms like Coursera and Udemy use AI to recommend courses based on user interests and learning patterns. Educators can use AI tools to develop and market their courses, reaching a global audience and generating passive income. 9. AI in marketing and advertising. Effective marketing is essential for any business, and AI is revolutionizing how we approach marketing and advertising. AI tools can analyze consumer data, optimize ad campaigns, and personalize marketing messages. This leads to higher engagement, better conversion rates, and increased sales. Example: tools like Google Ads and Facebook Ads use AI algorithms to target specific audiences and optimize ad performance. Businesses can leverage these tools to reach their ideal customers and maximize their advertising budget, driving more traffic and sales. 10. AI in the gig economy. The gig economy offers numerous opportunities for independent work, and AI is making it easier to find and complete gig jobs. AI-powered platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit match gig workers with available tasks, streamlining the process and increasing efficiency. Example: a gig worker using these platforms can benefit from AI's ability to optimize routes, predict demand, and ensure timely payments. This allows them to maximize their earnings and manage their work more effectively. Let's look at a success story to illustrate the potential of AI in wealth creation. Meet Jane, a former office worker who decided to explore AI-powered trading systems. She started using an AI trading platform that analyzed market trends and executed trades on her behalf. Within a year, Jane saw significant returns on her investments, allowing her to quit her job and focus on trading full-time. Jane's story highlights how leveraging AI can lead to financial independence and a new career path. In summary, AI offers numerous opportunities for creating wealth independently. From automated trading systems and content creation bots to predictive analytics and AI-powered freelancing platforms, there are various tools and strategies you can use to diversify your income streams and achieve financial freedom. The key benefits of leveraging AI for wealth creation include increased efficiency, data-driven decision-making, and the potential for passive income. By embracing AI, you can break free from the limitations of traditional employment and unlock new pathways to financial success. If you're excited about the potential of AI for wealth creation, we encourage you to explore the AI tools and platforms we've discussed. Start experimenting with different strategies and find what works best for you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. And if you want to learn more about financial independence and innovative ways to create wealth, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.